So I have the iPhone 14 Pro, and today I'll be showing you how to accept or reject phone calls with your iPhone 14. This could be the normal iPhone 14, the iPhone 14 Plus, 14 Pro, or even the 14 Pro Max. So I'm going to start with the phone not in silent mode. So let's say it's somewhere sitting on a desk or in your pocket and a phone call comes in. So in this case, to receive the phone call, simply slide to the right and it's going to connect. Currently it's connected and you can see it counting. And once you're done talking to the person calling, then either them can end the phone call or you can simply tap on that to end that phone call. Now, let's say the phone rings when you're in a meeting or a movie theater and the ringtone is distracting everyone. So what do? Two things you can do. You can either, first of all, silence the phone call and then move to a place where you can receive and then receive the phone call. So to do that, as the phone rings, you can press any of the buttons, either volume down or volume up, just any button, and the phone will go quiet. The ringtone will be muted. The phone will also stop vibrating, but the phone call is still coming in and you can see on your screen, and then you can receive or reject the phone call. So just one press and the phone call is going to be silenced. Now, if you plan on rejecting the phone call, you can press any button. This time, let's press the side button. The phone call is silenced. And if you want to reject that phone call, you can press the side button again, and that phone call will be rejected just like that. So let's try that again. So press once to silence, and then press again to reject that phone call. Now, you can also choose to reject a phone call with a text message. So when someone calls you and you want to reject that phone call, but send a message. So in that scenario, what you want to do is tap on the message icon. The phone call is silenced, but it's still coming in and it's ringing on the other side. And then you have a couple of messages you can send. These are messages that are ready for you to send. But if you want to send a custom message, simply tap on custom. And as you type the custom message, the phone is still ringing on the other side. So type quickly. And then as soon as you hit send, the phone call is going to be declined and the message sent immediately. Now, you might also receive a phone call with your phone unlocked. Maybe you are using your phone and a phone call comes in. This time, instead of the phone call occupying the whole screen, it's going to come at the top there. But once again, you can press any button to silence the call, and you can also press a button again to decline that call. And also, you have the option to receive or decline the phone call from there, just by the tap of a button. Now, lastly, if you have your phone in silent mode, like that, and a phone call comes in, then you still use the same procedures I've explained, even with the phone not in silent mode. The only difference is in silent mode, when the phone rings, the ringtone will not be there, but the phone will be vibrating. So if you want to pick up the call immediately, you can pick it up. But if you want to, you can press a button and the phone will stop vibrating. And then you can either ignore the phone call or you can end it, or you can pick it up when you're in a position to pick it up without the phone constantly vibrating in your hand. So those are the different ways you can either receive or reject a phone call on your iPhone 14. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.